Hi there, this is Noah with the Marketing and Training Department. This is going to be a brief video tutorial on how to change the format of your contract document. Now before we dive in, I want to encourage you to like and subscribe to the ERS YouTube channel so you never miss out on any updates or important information. And you can do that by clicking on the link in this corner up here, or there should be one, the little ERS logo in the corner down there. All right, so I'm going to click on Admin, Documents, Contract Options. So as we can see, there are a bunch of different layouts here. I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and go with that. So then I can go into my email, I can pull up a receipt, and I can go ahead and click here to look at that contract in action. Yep, it looks exactly as I intended it to. Now just for fun, I can go ahead and change my template here. And I'm curious as to whether this will update the contract template for an existing order or only for new orders going forward. I guess it does apply to existing orders. Learn something new every day. All right, y'all. I hope this helps. It really is that simple. As always, if you got any questions, please feel free to reach out to the tech support department at 505-435-9731, extension 102, or support@eventrentalsystems.com. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.